Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video we are going to see how to register your drone in Gujarat. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, you will be directly go to this page. So now you have to click on the login button. Then you have to enter your email password, select the profile, and then click on the remember me. Then click on the login button. So after login, you will receive your OTP in your registered mobile number. Please enter the received OTP and then click on the applicable button to get your mail in your email ID. Go to your email ID. Please find the digital sky drone enrichment account created. Verify your mail in your inbox. Then we will reach a new page as per the profile type selected. Please complete the page prompts as appropriate. Then you have to upload your Aadhaar card image, front and back scan on same page picture. Then you have to click on the checkbox for hereby submit option and continue to fill all the mandatory details as appropriate and you have to upload all the necessary relevant documents. Then finally you have to click on the submit button. Then we will get a new screen with your OAN number, owner acknowledgement number. The same will be sent to your registered email ID. To the email may reach your email ID within 48 hours. Please use it in all your future communication. Once the OAN is obtained, please go to the top and click the back my drones button. Then we will get a message stating you don't have any interested drones. Please click the interested new drone button. Then we will reach the interested new drone page. Please complete the step 1 prompts as appropriate and then click the save and continue button. Then you have to click the step 2 and then you have to complete the page prompts as appropriate and then click the save and continue button. Please upload applicable files as per the upload prompts provided. Click the checkbox and hereby and click the save and preview button. Then we will provide with the preview of the entered details. Please go to the details and if all are correct then use the get done button. Does the OAN owner acknowledgement number did and RAN number is obtained by registering through the Digital Sky portal. And in below section we are mentioned the fee section. So that during online process, please pay if the online payment is prompted. Also, you can check more details related to the procedure in below each section. Here, there are like the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided with the department and contact details that need to be approached for this process. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. So which is very useful for you. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.